Spirituality is not committing suicide, or is it? Then we do not need satsang. We need mass suicide halls. Over. It has happened, There have been cults in Japan and other places where incidents of mass suicides have been reported. They thought that is liberation. So 300, 400 people would get together and just breathe into some nice gas. And all are liberated. That is not spirituality, obviously. Do not deprive the stomach of food, and do not deprive the mind of thoughts or feelings. Just as it is stupid to deprive the body of food, it is equally stupid to deprive the mind of thoughts and feelings. Thought is not the enemy. Feelings are not the culprit. Your misplaced presence is the culprit. The needless presence of I in the thoughts is the culprit. Be fully secure about the I and then think as much as you want to. Feel in whichever dimension you want to. You can laugh, you can sing, you can cry. You can even hate or fall in love. All that is okay. All that is part of the rainbow. Spirituality is not about banishing certain things from your life. Spirituality is just about seeing that life is beautiful and does not get any better with the intervention of the little self, the I. It is one thing to think. It is a totally another thing to think with the objective of self-preservation. Can you see the difference between these two thoughts? There is just thought as is needed to solve a mathematical problem. And then there is the thought that feeds on fear. Are these two the same? Thought is not the problem. Your insecurities about yourself, your utter loneliness, that is the problem. And that is an assumed, imagined problem, a problem that does not exist but is taken to be. Now, how smart is that? To be fretting over an imagined problem. Huh?